Hi, I'm Mike with America's Generators. Today we're going to explore a little into why running your generator at full load may not be the best choice and understanding how prime power ratings and standby ratings play a big role in their efficiency and longevity. Think of running your generator at 100%, much like running your car at redline. It's possible, but not sustainable. Like anything else with an engine, your generator has a sweet spot, and finding that is key. Continuous and sustained full use of your generator is going to result in frequent breakdowns and poor reliability. Let's break down two critical terms, which are standby and prime ratings. So your prime rating is what your generator can handle over a sustainable amount of time comfortably, much like a marathon. Your standby rating, however, is what the generator can provide in short bursts, more like a sprint. So always keep that in mind. A wise strategy is to try and keep your generator's load at about 75% of its capacity. This leaves some headroom for unexpected load demands without overburdening the system, much like a financial cushion for unforeseen expenses. So what happens if you overload your generator? Well, components overheat, efficiency may drop, and this may also shorten the lifespan of your generator. And when it comes to sizing, you want to make sure you meet your regular power demands and maintain some spare for unforeseen and unexpected loads during your peak times. With your unit, the key to longevity is regular maintenance. I can't stress that enough. You want to make sure that you keep your unit running in tip-top shape, and this will ensure you have a generator for a long and healthy lifespan. In conclusion, yes, it is possible to run your generator at full throttle. However, maintaining a balance within your prime power rating is more prudent and will ensure that you have a long and healthy life with your generator and keeps it ready to manage all your power demands. Thanks for watching. My name is Mike. Please like and subscribe below. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Remember, keep your generator in your back pocket.